Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nail Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a winter marble design. By that I don't mean like winter wonderland, I mean those winter colours. So they're ideal to go through the winter season. It doesn't just associate with Christmas. So this can be worn for Christmas and beyond. You alright there?
Yeah.
A little bit of a giggle going on. Andrea's having a little bit. Andrea's having issues.
For a change.
So I've already prepped this nail. Well, we actually soaked off, didn't we? Your nails earlier on today, which seems like a million miles away. It seems like it was a week ago. See, I feel like I've been here that long. Because we've had all sorts going on today. We've had the BBC here doing interviews and all sorts, haven't we?
We have.
We've been very, very busy today. We're going to do a stiletto nail. I'm going to sculpt it. I'm not going to tip. You could use a tip. That is perfectly fine. Some people have this slight thing, like this stigma against using tips. That it's really bad. Oh, you should only sculpt. Like you're not a real technician, a real nail technician, unless you sculpt. No, you can use tips. It is allowed. I don't frown upon it. Do you frown upon it, Adam?
Sorry?
Do you frown upon it? He's not even listening.
I've got headphones on. Of course I'm listening. No, I don't frown upon it. It's stronger as well, aren't it? That's what I've heard, yeah.
Who's told you
Yeah.
that? For some people. I've got tips on. You always have sculpt on there, don't you?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they stay on you for a long time, don't they, Andrew?
They do. I think the record is 6 weeks.
Wow. We don't need to break that record, though, do we? No. Because that puts a lot of pressure on the natural nail. Having the nails on for too long puts a lot of pressure on the natural nail. So I've dehydrated and I've applied acid-free primer. Now what I'm going to do is just build out a very thin layer of clear. And one of the other reasons that I'm showing you this design is because I'm using brand new acrylic powders. And if you know me well, you know I love to try out the new goods. Right, so I have these gorgeous colours. These are brand spanking new. We have Bordeaux, we have Soft Coronation, and we have St. Paddy's Day.
Oh, wow. That's very Irish, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, those that don't know, Andrea's husband is actually Irish. So this is perfect, really. Damien, I'm sure he will approve.
Yeah. Can't wait to show him. He'll be dead impressed.
I'm sure he'll be like,
Really.
It's a Scottish right hand and Irish left hand.
yeah.
Yeah.
I am just going to pinch this a little bit.
An English rose.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
On my toe.
Don't those colours look lovely together? I think they're a really nice combination.
Mm.
I'm going to pick up some of the Bordeaux, place it down, get it nice and crisp at the cuticle, let that fall down a bit. Then I'm going to pick up a bead of Soft Coronation, place that straight into it, start to work it straight away, let it run, it adds to the fun. It will add to the design, and then you're just going to move it around gently. You don't want to overwork it. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the Bordeaux again here. And I'm just going to spread that out a bit. Bring it down. Bit of soft coronation. Create a bit of a marble. And I'm going to pick up St. Paddy's Day. I'm going to do like a little section here. Always sort of flowing down the nail. Now I really want to add a little tiny bit more of the coronation here. So don't be afraid to add a little bit more to add to your marble effect. I'm going to add a little bit of the green here as well. So this St. Paddy's Day has got lots of different glitters mixed in with the acrylic. Different shapes and sizes, but they're all the tones of green, gold and silver. And then here we're going to marble again. So we're going to pick up some of the Bordeaux and move it around. And what I'm doing is spreading it along the length of that nail. Then we're going to get some coronation. Put it on. And wave it up. And a bit down. To give you that bit of a marbled effect. I feel like this is a little bit harsh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a 3D brush and add a little bit of the Bordeaux colour and kind of paint with it. Just to add a little bit more detail to the marble. It's really pigmented, so you can do this. See how that just softens that big block. I'm even going to drag from here down to soften that even more as well. And it kind of blends it. And I'm going to pinch it. So I've tested it with my fingers, and now I'm going to pinch this before I cap it. Now I'm going to pick up a nice big clear bead, place that down, and we're going to encapsulate now And this will give the nail a lot of structure as well. I'm just moving that down the nail. You can always wet, you know, this part of the acrylic that hasn't got the clear on, and that'll help the clear flow down the nail nicely. So I'm going to take the foam off now. It's nice and dry. It's all set. Now I'm going to do my normal filing routine. So side walls first. Cuticle area, and then I will contour the top surface. I'm going to buff this nail now. Going to wipe over with acetone to smooth this out, clean it up, and let's top coat it now, and that'll reveal all the shine of the glitter. So it kind of is slightly inspired by a candy cane as well with the colours, but it's not a candy cane, it's marbled, so you can get away with wearing it for longer than just Christmas. We're going to finish off with a little bit of cuticle oil. This is the Freesia cuticle oil. You've had a cocktail of cuticle oils today, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. I was thinking then, what's Freesia smell of? And I was thinking it was cow. That's Frisian, isn't it?
What? Frisian? I don't know what that is.
A Frisian cow, isn't it? The black and white one's a Frisian.
Oh, is it?
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like cow.
No, and I'm thinking, why would they have cow smelling? Well, like Freesia, the flower, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't smell like cow.
No, it smells like flowers, darling.
Flowers. Beautiful flowers.
I love that green. Green is actually my favourite colour.
Is it?
Too, honest to God, absolutely
Yeah.
love
In
green.
between pink, black and leopard print.
The leopard print does come,
I love leopard print.
you know, like, well, yeah, it does come very, very high.
Yeah.
And probably as level pegging with the green, to be honest. Just don't
Yeah.
wear green a lot, but I do love it. So I do like that now. I like these nails. I love them. There you are, guys. I hope that's inspired you. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And Merry Christmas to you all, or Happy New Year, because I do not know when this video is going out. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from No Nails. In this video, I was just about to say we're going to do Def Leppard nails, and we're not going to do that at all. We were just talking about that.